Guys, this fragrance right here is a piece of history. This is called Aqua di Colonia from Santa Maria Novella, one of the oldest perfume brands in history. Nakalagay dito 1612, pero actually this was built back in 1500s pa. This cologne was launched back in 1533 and is considered one of the oldest perfumes ever made. And one thing you need to know is that this is the first cologne to use alcohol. Now, how does it smell? Well, it smells dated, okay? It smells cologne. It's a cologne na hindi mo na siguro gagamitin nowadays. I mean, depende sa'yo. Pero ako personally, to be honest, I won't be able to use it. It smells like a vintage cologne. Yung smell niya may pagkapuon. So, when you say cologne, usually ang notes niyan, bergamot, lavender, neroli, lemon, orange blossom, petitgrain. Yan, usually yan ang mga notes niyan. So, pag pinagsama-sama mo yun, it smells cologne, but this one again is a vintage cologne, and binili ko lang to just to have a piece of history. Now, I wanna know ano yung mga vintage perfumes that you own. Let's drop it down below in the comment section.